A dispensary buys from about 30 different vendors. Keeping straight what you owe each one is a full-time job nobody has. So let's follow just one vendor for 1 month and watch what happens to your money. This is Verdant Hill. They're one of the vendors who stock your shelves. Once a month, they drop off product, and once a month, they send you a bill. Here's this month's: $5,240. Now, every legal cannabis package in the state has to be logged in a government tracking system. If product really moved, there's a record of it. There is no record of this one. So you're holding a $5,000 bill for product the state never saw arrive. So the payment gets stopped before it leaves, and you're told exactly why. Then the same bill shows up again. Same vendor, same $5,240 a second time. Pay both, and you've handed them $5,000 for nothing. And this was one of 2 double bills caught here this month. Add the other one, and that is $8,420 that never went out the door. But bills are only half of it. Money moves the other way, too. Some of what they dropped off never sells. A customer brings it back. It goes bad and gets thrown out. Or it sits too long, and you have to cut the price just to move it. When that happens, the vendor owes you money back. Almost nobody ever collects it, because proving it means digging through the state's system, your register, and some spreadsheet, and adding it all up by hand. That gets done for you. Every return, every write-off, every markdown, added up and priced at what you actually paid for it. $742.60, taken straight off the next check you write them. Now do all of that 30 times, once for every vendor you buy from. That is the part that quietly eats somebody's entire week. So instead, the bills just get emailed in. They get read, matched to the right vendor and the right delivery, and filed. Nobody types anything. And everything you owe lines up by how overdue it is. So you can see who's waiting on money and how much cash you actually have, instead of paying whoever complained the loudest. That was one vendor for 1 month. $5,000 you did not pay until it was proven real. $5,000 you did not pay twice. $742 back in your pocket. Now multiply that by every vendor on your shelf. Every vendor, every payment. One place. Want to know what that is worth at your shop? We will work it out using your own numbers, and it does not cost anything.